Good morning friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Friends, today we will discuss chapter 16, The Great Indian Desert of EVS class 5th. Today we will discuss first fill in the blanks of this lesson, second true and false of this lesson, third question and answer of this lesson. This is beneficial for army public school students. फ्रेंड्स, यदि आप में से जो भी न्यू व्यूअर हैं जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। First, we will discuss fill in the blanks of this lesson. Question number 1. The climate of Thar Desert is quite dash. Answer of the question is harsh. Next question. The shape of the desert is dash. Answer of the question is camel. Next question. The unique features of the sandy soil is dash. Answer of the question is it absorbs heat and it cools fast. Next question. The vegetation found in desert region consists of dash. Answer of the question is kikar, bapool and cactus. Next question. A sandy area that becomes fertile is called dash. Answer of the question is oasis. Next question. The Thar Desert lies between dash and dash. Answer of the question is Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next question. The Rajasthan Canal brings water from dash to the desert. Answer of the question is Punjab. Next question. The nomads of Thar Desert are called dash. Answer of the question is Banjaras. Next question. The river that flows through the Thar Desert dash. Answer of the question is Luni. Next and last question of fill in the blanks. A camel has dash and dash feet that help it to walk on sand. Answer of the question is long and padded. Second, we will discuss true and false of this lesson. Question number 1. The Thar Desert lies in the states of Gujarat. Answer of the question is true because the Thar Desert lies between the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next question. The Rajiv Gandhi Canal has changed the life of the people. Answer of the question is false because the Indira Gandhi Canal has changed the life of the people. Next question. Desert plants have long roots. Answer of the question is true because desert plants have long roots. Next question. There are many sanctuaries in Rajasthan. Answer of the question is true because there are many sanctuaries in Rajasthan like Ranthambore, Sariska. Next question. Rajasthan get plenty of rainfall. Answer of the question is false because Rajasthan get no rainfall or a little rainfall. Third, we will discuss question and answer of this lesson. Question number 1. What are oases? Answer of the question is oases are fertile areas in the desert where underground water comes to the surface. Next question. What are sand dunes? How are they formed? Answer of the question is small hills of sand is known as sand dunes. They are formed by blowing winds. Next question. Write the name of few sanctuaries found in Rajasthan. Answer of the question is the name of sanctuaries found in Rajasthan are first Ranthambore, second Sariska. Next question. Who are Banjaras? Why do they roam from one place to another? Answer of the question is the nomads of Thar desert are called Banjaras. These people move from one place to another in search of food. Next question. Why are the days hot and nights cold in the desert? Answer of the question is the days are hot and the nights are cold in the desert because the sand absorbs heat very fast and cools down fast at night. Next question. Why is the camel called the ship of the desert? Answer of the question is the camel is known as the ship of the desert because its long and padded feet help it to walk without sinking in the sand. A camel can go without food and water for many days. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For latest update, press bell icon.